Hey, this is Christina Allison, and this is for my Communication 767 Visual Rhetoric and the Influence of Aesthetics for Queen's University of Charlotte. And this was a presentation I did for my class, and we were doing current events. And mine was about viral memes that Donald Trump had with a fist pump. So on this, he went on September 11th memorial service in 18, and he had done this fist pump. This is what the original photo looked like. And then we go on to see how other people created this into different memes. So again, here's just taking the outtake from that first photo and then photoshopping it to create just him. Here these are just the corn on the cob. These are just ways of taking a photo and creating a totally different visual image. Him working out. Him with the Mexico detainees. Him flossing his teeth. Yeah, this one. You scream, I scream, we all scream for ice cream. This is from a Star Wars image. An image from The Office, the sitcom. This is him playing the drums with the Beatles. And these are the references. Thank you for watching.